Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a woman over 50 looking for a fresh, youthful and modern hairstyles, this video is just for you. Today we will explore some of the best short haircuts for 2025 that make you look younger, more confident and full of life, all while being super easy to manage. So let's jump right in the find the perfect short haircut that will bring out your natural beauty and glow. Short hair is stylish, practical and always in fashion, but the best part is it's stylish, flattering for women over 50. As we age, our hair often becomes thinner or loses a bit of volume, and that's totally normal. Short hairstyles help make your hair look fuller, thicker and healthier. They also highlight your beautiful features like your eyes, cheekbones and smile. And of course, they are super easy to style to maintain, giving you a fresh look in just minutes. So whether you are of elegant, fun or modern, short hairstyles gives you endless options to shine at any age. Let's talk about the top trending short haircuts for women over 50 in 2025. The classic pixie cut, the layered bob, the shaggy crop, the inverted bob. All of these cuts are low maintenance, stylish and easy to personalize. So you can find the one that truly fits your personality. A refresh haircut deserves a fresh color. Here are some hair color ideas that instantly make you look younger and brighter. Honey blonde or warm caramel, soft brown with highlights, ash blonde or silver tones, light copper or rose gold. A little color can make a big difference. It brings light softness and confidence to your all-over look. Short hair is quick to style. Here are a few easy tips. Use a volumizing spray to lift the roots and add fullness. A round brush and blow dryer will help create shape and shine. For a relaxed look, use your fingers instead of a comb. Finish with a light serum for a glossy, youthful finish. Remember, the best hairstyles is one that makes you feel confident and beautiful every single day. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.